The WDSU first warning weather alert day, so let's get over right now to Jim.
Well, we have an area of showers and thunderstorms that we're watching. We're not overly concerned about it, but you notice this orange box here. That's a special marine warning. These thunderstorms moving toward Plaquemines Parish may contain some wind gusts in excess of 40 miles per hour. We have a flood watch that's in effect through Friday morning. Our biggest concern is going to be overnight tonight through tomorrow morning. That's when the rain is going to be getting heavier again for many of us. Also a coastal flood advisory that's in effect until midnight tonight. Let's go to the tropics because, yes, we have our first tropical storm of the season. Looks impressive on the satellite view. It really isn't. Sure, there's a lot of rain, a lot of cloud cover out here, but the center of it is very close to land right now. A lot of wind shear, a lot of relentless wind shear, according to the National Hurricane Center. Winds at 45 miles per hour, likely to get weaker as we look toward late this afternoon, makes its way toward land. This is a rainmaker. We've been telling you this for 5, 6, 7 days. Spaghetti plots, doesn't matter which one it takes, we're getting wet. Starting tonight through tomorrow morning into early tomorrow afternoon. Here's the water vapor imagery. Look at all this. This is very dry air that's starting to mix in with the system. That's a good thing for us. Also, you can see that strong upper-level wind shear that's in place right now. That wind shear that'll continue through the afternoon into the evening. Now, this is a computer model that I've chosen to show you because it's a little bit on the wet side. As a matter of fact, it's the wettest of the ones that we consider to be the most reliable. This afternoon, starting to see some showers pop up here by about 4 o'clock. By the evening, showers getting more numerous. Now, as we get to the later evening and early morning hours, that's when the rain is probably going to be getting heavier. Small possibility that one of these storms is going to be on the strong side. Isolated tornado is possible. Here we are at about 3 a.m. North Shore really looks like they're going to be the wettest. That's what all the computer models are showing us. One more time, this is an aggressive one. This is showing some very, very heavy rain through 6 a.m. into 9 a.m. on the North Shore. Then some of those showers making their way farther to the south. Now, some of the models are significantly drier than this, but we need to be prepared for the possibility of 3, 4, 5 inches of rain on the North Shore, maybe even a little bit more than that. Even by about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, showers and thunderstorms making their way a little bit farther to the south. Once we get to the dinner hour, the showers should be decreasing, and I think the heaviest rain should be over at that point. How much rain are we going to see? This model is aggressive too. We got to prepare for the possibility of maybe 8, 9, 10 inches of rain on the North Shore. Rainfall totals getting lower as you get a little bit farther to the south. So here's your forecast for this afternoon. Scattered showers and thunderstorms developing. Heavy rain is possible, but not probable. This evening, the heavy rain is going to start to move in for us, especially as we get to the late evening, early morning hours. That's when the rain is really going to start to get heavy. Those showers and thunderstorms should be decreasing somewhat by the later afternoon. Winds from the south at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. I didn't mention it's going to be breezy, but it's already breezy right now. It'll be breezy all day tomorrow. Possibility of flooding through tomorrow. That's why we have WDSU weather alert days on the graphic. Still have the possibility of isolated flooding Friday, maybe into Saturday, so we'll make those impact days as well, especially because of the fact that on the North Shore, we think the ground is going to be very saturated. And then things starting to get drier for us. I think Sunday actually looks like a pretty decent day if you're looking ahead to the weekend. That's your WDSU first warning forecast.
All right.